you can see this is my interface of Adobe Illustrator. From here into the file, you can open a new file. How you can open from here? I'm going for the new. You can either press Ctrl plus N. It is the shortcut key, guys. From here you can see the profile I'm taking to custom. From here you can adjust the width and the height for your canvas. Guys, I'm taking to 12 by 12. And from here you can adjust your units. I'm taking into inches. Again, I'm going for the 12 by 12. From here, guys, you can either select for the print, web, devices and many others. I will take it as custom. And here you can name your document. I'm naming here as direct selection tool. Okay. And from here you can see here many other options. I will tell these options afterwards. Okay, I'm pressing OK. You can see I have this my page artboard. You can see if I click here, I can select this. First of all, I will make a rectangle and I will show you how it can work on the rectangle. By pressing Alt and Shift button, I'm making a rectangle. You can see if you don't press the Shift button, then it will come like this. It will not come in the proportion, but if you press the Shift button, it will be in proportion and all the sides will be equal. It would be called the square. Guys, if I click here by pressing Alt button, you can see now I have this rounded rectangle. If I make this right here, you can see I have other shapes. If I press here, I have oval. You can see if I make this, it is called oval. But if I press Shift and Alt button together, it will make my round circle like this. Guys, now if I again press with the help of Alt, you can see my polygon here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is hexagon. And if I again press, you can see I have any other shape of star. Guys, now with the help of this selection tool, I can move these objects wherever I want in my artboard. I can also place this right here and in my object. Guys, first of all, I'm going to show you another thing. I'm going into the view and I want to have here smart guides. If I click here on the smart guides, you also have Ctrl plus U. If I click here, I'm just going to make the new guides. You have the shortcut key Ctrl plus F5. You can either press that too. Guys, now again I'm going into the view and I want to have here rulers. If I click over here, I'm clicking on show rulers. If you want to press the shift, if you want to press the shortcut key, then the shortcut key is simply Ctrl plus R. You can remove the rulers. You can see you have no ruler here and here too. If you press Ctrl R, you will have your rulers on the screen. And see, if I have on the smart guides, you can either on from here too. You can make the guides from here also. Guys, now I'm also making a short line by pressing the Shift button. You can see the guide is making for me the directions. Okay, this is the benefit of the guide. So from here you can see this selection tool. You can see the two endpoints of the line. These are called the anchor points. Guys, I want to show you the stroke color. Guys, I want to show you the stroke color. From here you can either change your stroke color or you can have your stroke color points increase or decrease. Look, if I increase the points, the line is becoming thick. But if I decrease the point, the line is becoming thin. I'm taking it as 3. I can change the direction of my line. Look, if I place here like this, you can see the direction of the line is changing very easily. Just deleting this. If you click on any of the image and press the delete button, you can easily delete that image. Look, I'm deleting and I'm bringing this down. I'm just selecting these upper portions, and you can see you can reshape it as ever you want. You can guys, you can reshape it according to your taste. Okay, look, I'm placing this right here. Now what is the advantage of this? I will just make a shape and show you what's the advantage. First of all, I'm pressing Ctrl A. Control is shortcut key to select all images on your PC. I'm pressing delete button and now these are deleted. I'm going to make another rectangle. By pressing shift and alt button, I'm making a rectangle. I'm decreasing its size a bit. Guys, now with the help of this direct selection tool, if I press alt button and I drag this down, I can make copies of this. Look, like this. Now on these upper corners, I'm just moving these corners down and I will make a box. I'm selecting this and I am moving this. I'm selecting these corners and I'm moving this till here. Guys, you can see this has become a box. Now if you want to group this, you can either select this and press Ctrl G on your PC. It is now grouped and you can have this on your screen anywhere. Guys, now you can see over here these four sides of the square. These four sides are basically called the brazier points, the curve handles, and in geometry these are called tangents. Okay. From here you can see this pen tool. If I press alt, I can have this add anchor point tool right here. If I click over here and I go here in the direct selection tool and I stretch this, you can see it is making new parts. It is making new design. And now if I click over here and I press alt button, you can see I have this delete anchor point tool. If I press over here on any of the anchor, you can delete it very easily. You can see you can delete these points easily. Now it has become a line. Okay. These are helpful in making some of the shapes. Guys, let's make a circle like this. Now if I press over here, you can see I have this convert anchor point tool. If I click on the anchors, you can see these are converting. These have converted to a new design. Okay. I'm placing this here. I'm again making the square and let's add a point over here, add an anchor, and I'm taking this up. With the help of this convert anchor point tool, you can see I have the curve handles over here. I can curve this very easily as I want. This is super easy and super fun. Guys, now let's make an oval. I'm just going to make an oval and I will make an egg with the help of this. I'm taking the direct selection tool and I'm selecting these 2 points. Let's drag these points a bit down. No, it has distorted the shape. I'm selecting these and let's move this bit up. You can see this is my egg. Yeah, it is looking egg by the way. Now I will make a bunch of the grapes. Let's make an oval first. From here you have this arc option in the line tool. I'm increasing its size and with the help of this hand tool I'm dragging this down. I'm taking this arc tool and I will make an arc. You can see the guides are guiding us. So like this. If I want to resize it, I can resize very easily. You can see guys, over here I want to make a copy. First of all, I'm grouping this. I'm going over here and let's group this. Let's make a copy by pressing the Alt button. And I'm rotating it like this. Let's make a copy of this. And you can rotate it same like it. You can see now I want to bring this forward, so I'm going here, arrange and bring to front. You can see like this. Now guys, I will select this all with the help of the selection tool. You can see if you have your artboard disappear on your screen, you can simply press Ctrl+O and you can have your artboard back like this. Now I will go here and I will just group this. I'm zooming in. So guys, now I will press Alt button and I will make a copy. You can see the guides are guiding me. Make sure to on your guides. I will just rotate it a bit and I will here rotate it a bit. Let's bring them close and rotate even more. Let's rotate it a more. So as you can see, this is here like this. I will just like this with the help of my selection tool and I will make a copy of this. I will just like this and I will press Alt button and drag it down like this. Now I'm just decreasing its size and I am rotating it so that I can have its angle somehow changed. And I will just send it to back, arrange and send to back like this. Now let's press Alt button and make a copy more. I'm rotating this. I will place this over here. Just arrange and send back. Now I'm just decreasing its size. Let's send it to back. Send to back like this. I'm zooming out and with the help of this brush tool, I will just make it. I'm decreasing its stroke to 0.5 and let's make it a bunch. You can see guys, I'm just still here like this. I will just select this all and group this. So guys, you can see this is all for today. If you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe to my channel, okay? And if you have your relatives and friends who want to learn the Illustrator, then you can tell them too that come to my channel and watch my videos.